in my shop this Sunday morning. Tyler White wanted people to post video or whatever, busting a coal. I posted a really old video. Man, that was years and years ago. Well, I thought I'd just go ahead and break out my kit and bust one right now. So here we go. Let's see how it works out. I think my notch is a little wide. This just goes to show you guys you better practice, you know, because this is perishable skill. Just right now getting everything all warmed up. Waiting to get my pile of dust all up there in the same area as my spindle so I can go to town on it. We're just right about there now. So here we go, we're gonna go to town. A lot of times, people stop too soon, but that's why you always go a couple extra strokes to make sure. Yeah, now it's pretty cold. There we go, Tyler. Ooh, been a while for me. There you go. Thanks, guys.